Welcome back, everyone. We are looking at DOT on a weekly time frame, and as you can see, we are breaking down below our 0.1 fib, and that is $14.60. The next layer of support I'm looking for is at $10.16, and around there, if we don't get a reprieve bounce, we're going to look for all-time new lows. So I'm really looking for the bottom of the Bollinger Band and this $10.16 to be support for the retracement to the upside. If we get the retracement to the upside, we're still going to have $14.65 as the first layer of resistance. And after that, we have the 236 at $20.70. So there's a lot of resistance to the top side on a weekly time frame. But the main goal this week is to close above this $14.62. If we can't, $10.16 will be a real target for next week. And right now, the selling is increasing in volume. So I won't be surprised if we go there or lower. Let's give you a daily time frame view. On a daily, we are brushing up against the bottom of the Bollinger Band, so we can hopefully not close outside of it and become much more bearish. As long as we can hold above the Bollinger Band, the possibility of a retracement is possible, but we are going to find huge resistance at $14.60, and then after that, we're going to find even more resistance at $16. So keep those levels in check. Also, if we lose this layer of support at $13 for the daily close, we can look at $10 being a more realistic target throughout the week next week. If we can just come down here, it's not a problem. We can come down here and find support and then test back up into here, test back down, and then break out. Okay, so it's not a problem until we start closing dailies under this level, and then we can look for much drastic new lows. Giving you a quick measured move would be looking for something like this, which we already broke down out of this range. So looking for support around $6.50 is a logical target after breaking this $10 and a daily close. So we will revisit these areas in a few days as you guys requested. Let me zoom in on a 4-hour to give you guys a better picture. On a 4-hour time scale, we are finding a little bit of support in this $13.20 area. The main goal is to close the next 4 hours in this range and not lower. Closing this range and not lower is great. We're just gonna find a little bit of resistance to the top side at $14.16. Having 4-hour closes above this $14.16, that would show us some more bottoming confirmation, and then we can look for $14.50 and then the top of the Bollinger Band at $15 at the next layer of resistance to the top side if we get there. If we get there and get rejected, then just keep in mind that the other layers that we've already opened and closed above will become the next layer of support to the downside, and then breaking those will have the other layers as we have already mentioned. So as of right now, we are going to wait for these 4-hour closes. If the weekly can close in this area, that's great. We can look for the retracement next week. If the weekly can't hold this area and we start breaking under the Bollinger Band, then just have this $10.50 area as an active target to assume that we will reach sometime next week before the retracement starts to begin. So that is DOT for you guys on a weekly, daily, and 4-hour time frame. If you like what you guys hear, please do like, subscribe, and press the bell button for notifications for real-time updates so I can get this info to you guys ASAP. Other than that, if you guys have any questions, concerns, or other assets you would like me to cover, please leave it in the section below and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you so much for listening, guys. Stay safe out there. Talk to you soon.